Meaning of gravy boat.
Gravy boat.
Gravy boat.
Gravy boat.
Gravy boat. A gravy boat is a small serving vessel used to hold and pour gravy or other sauces when serving meals. It typically has a spout on one end for easy pouring, and a handle on the other for convenient carrying. Gravy boats may be made of various materials such as ceramic, stainless steel, glass or silver. They come in different shapes and sizes, and may feature decorations or embellishments. Overall, a gravy boat is a practical and elegant accessory that adds convenience and style to any dining table.